Hello guys, my name is Seven Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. If you are interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place because I'm here to help you to reach the next level. It's very important as an industrial designer to invest in yourself. More you learn and more you understand, more you learn to learn and you become more confident and consistent. To believe in yourself, your why is very important to start. I believe in you, I believe in potential as an industrial designer. To be patient and to discipline yourself in the long term. But if you are wondering yourself how to become an industrial designer, improve your soft skills and hard skills, improve your employability skills, how to start your career. If you want to learn about design, skills and investment, you are in the right place because I'm here to help you to reach the next level. In my YouTube channel, I share you different tutorials. Enjoy! Hello guys, welcome to this third podcast Design Your Life. My name is Hervé Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today we are going to talk about design, skills and investment. Let's get started. Today let's talk about the DJI OM4SE. I got the product this morning. I'm so excited to discover this industrial design product. When I started my YouTube channel, I thought to buy some things to improve my editing videos after to experience basic and practical technical tutorials with my smartphone and tripod. Hello everyone, my name is Hervé Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level, the next skill. Discipline, strategic investment, and intuition are the key points that inspire me to push myself every day to reach my goals. Hallo zusammen, mein Name ist Hervé Micha, Designer und Unternehmer. Ich bin hier, Ihnen zu helfen, das nächste Level, die nächste Kompetenz zu erreichen. Disziplin, strategische Investitionen und Intuition sind die Schlüsselpunkte, die mich dazu inspirieren, jeden Tag über mich hinauszuwachsen, meine Ziele zu erreichen. Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Hervé Micha, designer et entrepreneur. Je suis ici pour vous aider à atteindre le prochain niveau, la prochaine compétence. La discipline, l'investissement stratégique et l'intuition sont les points clés qui m'inspirent à me surpasser chaque jour pour atteindre mes objectifs. Hola a todos, mi nombre es Hervé Micha, diseñador y empresario. Estoy aquí para ayudarte a alcanzar el siguiente nivel, la siguiente habilidad. Today, let's talk about interesting programs and apps you could use for your self-investment. Let's talk about Notion app. Make calendar lists, schematics, retro planning, blog. It's possible with Notion. It's very intuitive. I use and I recommend you to use Notion app. It changed my entire life. Before to find Notion, I use Excel. I plan my retro planning and calendar in Excel. YouTube Studio with analytics tools is very poor. I discovered these tools, power tools, everything changed for my YouTube channel, for my personal and professional projects. If you want to create your own website, I recommend you to use Wix. It makes it easy to use. I decided to create my website with Wix. I want to optimize my employability skills for my personal and professional project. With Wix, you could use your total creativity. You are very free. This interface is very simply to use. I love it. I use Canva for my personal branding. It's very interesting and easy to use too. There's a lot of possibility and option, brand, text, color, image. If you have a different app you use, I think it's very interesting to use instabio. Instabio make it easy to put your different apps in the same place. It's very interesting for your audience to find your different personal and professional project. It means your audience find easily your website, Instagram, your LinkedIn, YouTube channel, etc. If you want to improve your soft skills and hard skills, I recommend you to use Eleform. It's very interesting. In this platform, you have a lot of hard skills and soft skills. You could form yourself. I recommend you to use Eleform for your personal and professional project. It's amazing platform who include a lot of knowledge and I love it. Tell me in comment which apps and programs you use for your different personal and professional projects and for your self-investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question about design, skills and investment, don't forget to comment below. Bye bye.